Hello everyone, Steve Stratton with Redline Emissions Products. Today we're looking at the Filtertherm Pulse Cleaner. The Pulse Cleaner uses high volume, low pressure air to blow out and de-ash DPFs and is designed to work with the Filtertherm Thermal Oven. Let's take a look. The high volume, low pressure air is used to dislodge soot and ash from the DPF. It has a self-contained cleaning system that prevents contaminants from escaping into the atmosphere and has a short process time of about 20 minutes or less, with quick installation and standard electrical connections. The 4 CFM and 85 PSI system requirement can be accomplished by using a standard shop air compressor. The Filtertherm Pulse Cleaner is simple and easy to use, cleaning both active and passive DPF emissions devices. Adapters are available for large and odd-size filters and features automated controls with built-in safety mechanisms. The Filtertherm Pulse Cleaner is part of the full Filtertherm package, available through Redline Emissions Products. For product information and where to buy, visit filtertherm.com.